is the HBM145 multifunction welding machine. Insert the ground clamp into the positive pole and the welding torch cable into the negative pole, then tighten and fix. Adjust the current to about 100 A. Clamp the base metal with the ground clamp. Hold the electrode to strike an arc, scratching or tapping. Move the electrode for welding, fill the crater, extinguish the arc and clean the slag. Quickly plug the ground clamp into the positive pole and tighten by rotating. Verify that the wire feed wheel and contact tip match the wire diameter, carbon steel V-shaped wheel. Check if the wire spool shaft rotates smoothly. Install the welding wire. Minimize the angle between wire outgoing and incoming, and adjust the wire feeder pressure. Connect the welding torch to the negative pole and tighten. Remove the contact tip. Press the welding torch switch to feed the wire. Then install the contact tip or flow divider or protective cover. Connect to the power supply and turn on the switch. Clamp the waste plate with the ground clamp and perform a test weld to adjust to the optimal parameters. Clamp the workpiece to be welded with the ground clamp. Hold the welding torch at 75 to 90 degrees. Push the torch at an inclination of 5 to 15 degrees. Maintain a stick-out length of 10 to 15 millimeters for welding, and swing the welding torch to optimize the weld formation. Release the welding torch switch to complete the welding. Remove weld slag and spatter. Quickly plug the ground clamp into the positive pole and tighten by rotating. Install the welding torch accessories in sequence: connector, tungsten electrode holder, tungsten electrode, ceramic nozzle or torch tail. Insert the welding torch into the negative pole of the welding machine and tighten. Clamp the workpiece to be welded with the ground clamp. Adjust the process parameters on the welding machine panel. Swing the welding torch with a short arc length 1 to 3 millimeters, to optimize the weld formation. Lift the welding torch to extinguish the arc, and retract the torch after the gas delay is completed. Close the gas cylinder valve, retract the welding torch ground cable, put them into the box, and seal with desiccant.